Hey guys, this video is going to be about a piece of wood that we found out in the woods and want to make into a tabletop. But just like you guys, I didn't have the right tools. So with the purchase of a $100 router from Home Depot and just a table that was lying around, made some rails, built a little jig, and we were able to use that as a planer. As you can see, plane this thing down into a flat surface. We'll flip it and we'll do the same thing. This is just the first couple of cuts. As you can see, it makes a ton of sawdust. There's better ways, obviously, but anybody can do this. Is the cool part. So if you're curious on how to do this and want to see how this table turns out, please like and subscribe, turn your notifications on, and we'll get the next video out to you. We're going to end up doing a blue epoxy river down the middle and hopefully backlight it. I think it'll look pretty sweet. If you're curious how it turns out, please stay with us. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys.